back here on Tom's Grand Prix. Got a lot in so far today. We finalized our circuit breaker up on the firewall, and this lead right here, this is the last lead we need to make. That's for our power seat. So we got that done. Got our vacuum lines ran for the power door locks. Had to renew the main feed to the switch, which was way through there, up and around. Goes under the dash into a T. So that's all done now. Now I'm working on this door panel, which has seen better days because it does not like fitting one bit. I've been battling the connectors, like all the pieces are gone. It's quite the mess, but it's getting there. So we'll get this on, and then we can start on our front carpet. So we'll set our console in. I'm gonna make a mark with some tape on the carpet back here, so I know about how much overlap I need, what needs to go where, and then how much of a hole I need to cut. Not thinking I need to cut much, really. Here, perhaps, but up there, no, we'll be all right. So we'll get her positioned, start working on that. Progress, progress, progress. All right, getting the door panel situated. Vacuum door locks work. Power vents are working. Just gonna hook up on power windows. Get all of our screws together. And that is done. And this, my friends, is a completed driver door panel. Sexy. Getting closer. Right, so we've mocked up our location of our console, and I've marked it, a little tighter than it actually is on our carpet, just so we can reference where it's gonna live for the most part. I'm gonna have all these bolt holes up here located. So it gives us a little fore aft. Obviously there's a panel here that fills in. It's gonna drop down a little bit, get that adjusted. We also have an issue with the auxiliary on this radio not sounding well. Plug in the phone and it sounds like tin, even with a factory Apple adapter and everything. So mess with the speakers, got it figured out. It sounds great on 8-track, sounds great on AM, sounds great on FM. Stick your finger in the back of the 8-track, which is where the auxiliary lives, and yeah, it'll change the tone immediately. So we're gonna pull this out, set it on the bench, and go through that as well. But we've got that marked, so we know where we're going. Gonna finalize our speaker wires, get them soldered up, and see where we end up after that.